In this video, I will show you how to disable sleep mode in Windows 11 to stop your laptop or PC from going to sleep automatically and keep your screen active for longer. Before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, there's two ways you can disable sleep mode. So the first way to do this from your desktop is to come down to your taskbar, click onto the Windows Start icon, and from here you want to click on Settings, which should be in your pinned apps. If it's not here, you can use the search box at the top, type Settings, and then open up Settings underneath Best Match. Once you've opened your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto System. From here, what you want to do is come down to Power and Battery, give that a click, and on the next screen you want to click onto the option which says Screen, Sleep and Hibernate Timeouts. Once you've done that, you're going to see some options come up. If you're on a laptop, you're going to see an option for plugged in and on battery, and you can see there's an option for when to turn your screen off. So what you want to do is click onto the drop down box and change this to never. Make sure to do this for on battery as well if you are using a laptop, and that's going to disable sleep mode on Windows 11. Another way to do this from your desktop is to come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here you want to type Control Panel and then open up Control Panel underneath Best Match. Now from here, you want to come up to View By, make sure this is selected to large icons, and then click on to the power options setting. Then from here, what you want to do is come over to the left hand side, and you're going to see an option which says change when the computer sleeps. Give that a click. And again from here, you can change these boxes to never for all of them to disable sleep mode on Windows 11. So that is how to disable sleep mode on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.